Hello everyone and welcome to the first episode of the Brisk series. Brisk is a free AI teaching tool that educators can use to save time and effort. In this video, I'll quickly show you how to install the Brisk extension and pin it to your Google Chrome. After opening Google, please type Brisk and I'll leave the link in the description box below. Then click on Add for Free, then hit Add to Chrome. Add extension after that. Then, when the installation finishes, click the extensions icon at the top right corner. Then click at the pen icon to add it to your toolbar. After that, the Brisk icon will pop up to your screen. You need to sign in using your Google account. Super easy, right? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and practical ideas on using Brisk in your classroom. And remember, with the right intention, you are a project of continuous charity. See you next time.